What is going on, guys? My name is Joaquin Corrales. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're going to talk about something that I haven't seen a lot, if any other people talk about, as far as how you could use a very simple Facebook advertising strategy to help build a closer bond with your customers, okay? The people that are actually coming into your store and creating transactions with you, the people that are interested in what you have to sell and what you have to say. And by doing this, right, you're gonna get closer to them. And by getting closer to these people, then down the line, they're gonna be willing to spend more money with you and with your business, right? Because I think at the end of the day, all it comes down to is being able to build that sort of bond with your customer, with your end customer, so that you can increase your lifetime value to as high as possible while giving them the maximum amount of value, right? Amount of value. Got tongue twisted there. But anyways, what I want to talk about is what I'm going to call the thank you advertisement, okay? I actually got this idea from a guy named Maxwell. He's really good at Facebook ads. And the idea behind that is basically that you should be running a campaign with not a lot of money, maybe $5, maybe $3, and just keep it running consistently. But the whole point of this campaign is that who you're going to target is a custom audience of people who have who have bought from your store, right? So the first thing that you're gonna do, whether you have an online store, a business, a software company, whatever it is that you have, okay? This doesn't only apply to Shopify, this doesn't only apply to software companies, whatever business you have, even if it's a brick and mortar business, okay? This is even cool for that. Imagine you went to, or let me explain the idea and then I'll come back to it. But anyways, you're gonna create an audience of people that have bought from your store, from your product. If you're selling digital stuff, then you're gonna use the pixel. If you are a part of a brick and mortar business, then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna upload people's emails, you're gonna upload their names, their contact info. You're basically gonna figure out a way to have Facebook find who these people are, right? So create a custom audience out of them. Then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go out there and create a video views campaign, and you're basically gonna record a video of yourself, the founder of the business. And also obviously this only applies if you want to connect your store to who you are. I think that today, one of the fastest ways to grow a business is to connect it to some sort of personality, some sort of human. And then what you do is that obviously you get people to like the human and then they like the business. And so what you're gonna do, if you don't mind connecting your online store or your business to you or to whoever that personality is that you're gonna create a video, just like I'm creating a video right now, and you're basically gonna say, hey, thank you so much for buying from our business. You mean the world to us. Here's a discount code for your next order, and here's my email address, and you could send me an email whenever you want if there's anything at all that I could ever do for you, and that's it. I just wanted to say thank you, right? So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna release this advertisement to people who have bought from your business. So they're gonna be scrolling down Facebook, scrolling down YouTube, whatever, and they're gonna see an advertisement, in this case, a video that you're paying very little money to put in their face, and they're gonna watch it, they're gonna be like, what the hell? They're gonna watch it, and all you're gonna do is that you're gonna say thank you, and you're gonna give them maybe a discount code for the next time around. That's it, without any call to action at all, okay? I think that a lot of people focus on putting a lot of focus on the call to action when it comes to their advertisements and when it comes to everything that they do. Are call to actions important? Yeah, definitely. But you do not need a call to action in this one. All you're doing here is that you're building brand equity, right? You're getting closer to these people, you're saying thank you, and they're gonna feel kind of weird about it, right? In a good way, because no one does that, okay? I'm actually gonna be trying that with my business as well. I think it's gonna be super effective because my customers are gonna be able to scroll down and they're gonna see a video of me just saying thank you to them. Like, that's it. I don't want anything. I just want to say thank you. That builds a closer bond with your customer, which in turn allows you to increase the lifetime value of them much easier. So whether you have an online store, whether you have a brick and mortar business, go out there and do this. If you guys are offering Facebook advertising services or digital advertising services to other businesses, do this in their company because it's going to make them a lot more money, because customers next time around are going to remember that business because they did something out of the ordinary. I think that's a really good idea. Really good idea. Oh, and what I was thinking before was, imagine you have a brick and mortar business. You could still do that there. Imagine you got an oil change somewhere, or you got a haircut somewhere, right? Like you got a haircut somewhere, and so somehow they got your email or whatever. Let's say I'm a barber, all right? This is gonna be a great example. If I was a barber right now, maybe you're watching this and you're a barber or whatever company you work at right now, they need to be doing this. Every business needs to be doing this. Imagine I was a barber, right? and I'm cutting people's hairs, whatever. And after they finish, I'm like, hey, send me, can I have your email or can I have your phone number or whatever, so I could send you, and then I would create some sort of bait, right? So what is this person gonna want? So, hey, I'm gonna send you a coupon or like a $3 coupon for next time, whatever. And you're gonna get their email address. And then what's gonna happen is that you're gonna go on Facebook when you have like 50, 100 people's email addresses. You're gonna grab them, you're gonna load them into Facebook, and you're gonna start running a thank you advertisement to these people. Can you imagine if next time you went on Facebook, you saw a video of your barber saying thank you for choosing me to cut your hair? Can you imagine that? Who are you gonna go to next? Like, who's the next barber that you're gonna go to whenever you need to get a haircut? You're gonna go back to that guy for sure. You're gonna tell your friends and family, you're gonna take a screenshot, you're gonna send it to everyone and be like, first of all, I don't know how the hell this guy did this, because no one knows how Facebook works and how advertising works. And it's gonna blow everyone's mind, and it's gonna make me, the barber, a ton more money, right? Because I'm gonna tell my friends and they're gonna be like, oh damn, I need a new barber. Then they're gonna go to my barber. It's just, yeah, you guys need to be doing this. So guys, this is Joaquin Corrales 180-day challenge. In a couple days, I'm gonna be releasing a couple videos on the same day because I've missed some days, but at the end of the 180 days, there will be 180 videos. If you guys have any questions at all, if there's anything that I could do for you whatsoever, hit a comment and let me know. Subscribe, like this video, and I'm gonna be reviewing some Shopify stores in my next video. So make sure that you guys comment down your Shopify stores. I've received a ton of DMs with some already, and I've comments as well, but just comment yours down below and I'll take it into consideration. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next video.